Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Halloween disposable plates for your spooky celebrations. If you're planning a Halloween party and want to add that perfect festive touch without the hassle of cleaning up afterward, these Whaline Halloween paper plates are exactly what you need. This set includes 40 disposable paper plates, designed specifically for Halloween, featuring a fun and cute ghost shape. What makes these plates stand out is their unique design in 4 pastel colors, which brings a playful and cheerful vibe to your Halloween party. The ghost shape is not only adorable but also adds a thematic element that guests of all ages will appreciate. The variety of pastel colors makes the table setup vibrant and visually appealing, helping to create a memorable atmosphere for your celebration. When it comes to quality, these plates are made from premium paper material, ensuring they are durable enough to hold a variety of foods without bending or leaking. They are oil resistant, so you can confidently serve anything from appetizers to desserts without worrying about messes. Despite being disposable, the material feels sturdy and reliable, making these plates practical as well as festive. Each plate measures 7.6 by 9.6 inches, offering ample space for serving portions of food during your party. This size is just right, not too small to limit your options, and not too large to be cumbersome for guests to handle. Whether you're serving snacks, treats, or a light meal, these plates can handle it comfortably. Another great aspect is the convenience these plates provide. Because they are disposable, cleanup after your party becomes effortless, letting you enjoy the event without the usual stress. These plates are perfect for a range of occasions beyond Halloween, including birthdays, costume parties, and any festive gatherings where you want a touch of fun and ease. Keep in mind that these plates are designed for single use and are not microwave or dishwasher safe, so they are best suited for serving cold or room temperature food. The matte finish adds a nice texture to the plates, enhancing their overall appearance and giving them a high-quality feel. Whaline's Halloween paper plates come packaged in a set of 40 pieces, giving you enough quantity to accommodate a good number of guests. The pack is thoughtfully divided into 4 colors with 10 plates each, which allows you to mix and match colors on your table for an exciting and eye-catching display. Overall, if you're looking to combine practicality with festive flair, these Whaline ghost-shaped Halloween plates are an excellent choice. They bring creativity, durability, and convenience all in one package, making your party setup simple yet special. That wraps up our review of the best Halloween disposable plates, brought to you by Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview or found it helpful for your party planning, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic Halloween celebration.